I've spent years documenting the evolution of military aircraft, but nothing quite compares to the F-47. This isn't just another fighter jet, it's a glimpse into the future of aerial warfare. The F-47's sixth-generation strike fighter jet stands as a pinnacle of American ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of air superiority. In the high-stakes world of military aviation, Boeing has just scored a game-changing victory. The aerospace giant has been awarded a staggering $20 billion contract to develop the F-47 sixth-generation strike fighter jet, a move that not only secures their position at the forefront of defense technology, but also marks a significant comeback for the company. The F-47's purpose is clear: to surpass the already impressive F-22 Raptor and establish undisputed dominance in the Pacific theater. What makes this jet truly special is its ability to adapt to the evolving nature of warfare. At the heart of the F-47 sixth-generation strike fighter jet's revolutionary design is its unparalleled stealth capability. This isn't just about being invisible to radar, it's about becoming a ghost in the sky. The F-47 is equipped with state-of-the-art electronic warfare systems that can not only jam enemy communications, but also feed false information, creating chaos and confusion among adversary forces. Perhaps the most groundbreaking aspect of the F-47 is its integration with unmanned systems. This jet isn't just a solo player, it's the coordinator of a high-tech squadron. The designation F-47 isn't just a random number, it carries significant weight in aviation history. Some speculate it's a nod to the legendary P-47 Thunderbolt of World War II fame, symbolizing a return to American air dominance. This project isn't just a win for Boeing, it's a catalyst for innovation across the entire defense industry. The competition to develop the next generation of fighter jets is driving rapid advancements in aerospace technology, propelling us into a new era of air combat capabilities. As we watch the F-47 take to the skies, its wings proudly bearing the U.S. Air Force emblem, we're witnessing more than just a new aircraft. As we conclude our journey into the world of the F-47 sixth-generation strike fighter jet, it's clear that this isn't just an evolution in fighter jet technology. It's a revolution. This aircraft represents a paradigm shift in how we approach air combat, blending human skill with artificial intelligence, stealth with electronic warfare, and solo missions with coordinated drone attacks. The F-47, with its prominent U.S. Air Force emblem, stands as a symbol of American ingenuity and military might, ready to safeguard the skies for generations to come.